Hello students, welcome to our next video. So in this video I am going to explain what is nominal voltage and its some related terms. Okay, so before proceeding, so we should know what is a nominal voltage. So let's suppose this is one circuit. Okay, so this is the voltage source. Then we have one resistor here. Okay, so I can use this resistor as a load also. Okay, so this is my current, this is my R value, means the resistance value, and this is my polarity of the voltage. Okay, or you can write here also. Okay, this is my voltage source. Okay, so what is nominal voltage? So nominal voltage is a voltage assigned to a circuit. Okay, it is assigned to a circuit. It is assigned to a circuit or a system to designate its voltage class. Okay, conveniently to which from that you can derive its voltage at what voltage class it is. Example like 120 volt. Okay, 120 volts. Okay, 120 volt is there. Then we have 240 volts. 240 volts. Then we have 300 volts, 400 volts, 400 volts or 430 volts. Okay. Okay. So this is the voltage range. The actual voltage at which a circuit operates can vary from the nominal voltage. Okay. Voltage within a range that permits satisfactory operation of equipment. Okay, means it can vary from the nominal voltage. Okay, so this is my nominal voltage. Okay, so my voltage source is like this. So this is my voltage source. I denote my voltage. Okay, so this is my voltage source. This is how we denote the voltage source. Similarly, I can denote my current source like this also. Okay, this is my current source and okay, this is my polarity. Okay, this is my current source. And write A here. Means for ammeter, means it measures the value of current. Okay, so the word nominal means named. Okay, nominal means named. Now, what does the nominal means? Named. It is not the precise operating. Means it is not the precise operating or rated voltage that means nominal means. What is nominal means? Let's suppose if my rating is 240 volt, so nominal means it is not exactly 240 volt. It can vary. It can be plus minus of that 240 volt. Okay, so 240 volt circuit may not be perfectly 240. Okay, so it can range from 245 or 235, something like that. Okay, so the nominal capacity is generally the quantity according to which some items has been named to generally referred to. Okay, means in short, let's if my 240 volt is there, so the nominal voltage will be 245.32 or 239.12. It can be anything. It is not exactly 245. Okay, so this is the meaning of the nominal voltage. So what is the difference between nominal voltage and the rated voltage? Okay, so what is the difference between the nominal voltage and the rated voltage? As the name suggests, okay, from the name only, the voltage level of an electrical power system is known as nominal voltage. Okay, the voltage level of electrical power system, voltage level of electrical power system. Okay, voltage level of electrical power system is known as nominal voltage. It is also known as a system voltage. Okay, it is also called system. It is also called as system voltage. Okay, in three-phase system, let's suppose in the three-phase system, the voltage between the external line is known as nominal voltage. Okay, in case of three-phase line, the line voltage is called as a nominal voltage. Okay, so this is the called as a nominal voltage. The voltage range from which the equipment is designed to operate under the stable condition. Okay, means the voltage range from which the particular equipment, electrical equipment is designed to operate under stable condition by giving reliability. The reliability is known as a rated voltage. Okay, means what is the difference between this? This is the nominal voltage, and my rated voltage is nothing but the for which the equipment is designed to operate under the stable condition by giving reliability is called as a rated voltage. Thus, the rated voltage of any electrical equipment is the highest voltage. Rated voltage is the highest voltage. Okay, rated voltage is the highest voltage at which equipment can function within the thermal limit. Okay, without damaging or endangering the life of the equipment. Rated means beyond that. Suppose it is of 240 volts. If you give 241, then it can exceed its thermal limit and it can also damage. Okay, and also you cannot. You also cannot give a less voltage, like let's suppose 220 volt. If you give a 220 volt, it can operate. But if you are giving a very less voltage, let's suppose 100 volt, then it cannot operate. Okay, it will stop working. Okay, so this is my rated voltage. 240 volt is my rated voltage. Means it is designed at that particular, according to all its reliability condition and all that. This is the my rated voltage condition. Okay, when designing any equipment, the designer should take the voltage safety margin into the consideration. Let's suppose I want to design my transformer. So what I do, I take the safety margins. Let's suppose if my this is my 440 volt transformer, then what I do, I just exceed some limit of it. Okay, I not put a 440 volt, I put 450 volt. Means I can exceed the voltage here by 10 volt. Okay, if any kind of, due to any certain condition, my voltage exceeds and it can reach up to 10 voltage, then what will happen? The transformer will operate at that condition, because the designer, let's suppose I am the designer, so I will design my transformer like this. Okay, so the rated voltage value must be greater than the nominal voltage. Okay, so my rated voltage value is greater than nominal voltage. Okay, voltage level of EPS is also called a system voltage. Okay, the system voltage is less than the rated voltage. Okay, so difference between the nominal and the rated voltage must be large enough. Okay, so difference between them should be very large enough to study the variations in the nominal voltage on the power lines. Okay, if I want to study the nominal voltage conditions on the power line, then we should have some difference. To have a better insight on the rated voltage, consider the working of a circuit breaker. Okay, consider working of a circuit breaker. An electrical circuit breaker is a switching device. Okay, basically it is a switching device which can be operated manually, and automatically for controlling and protecting an electrical power system. Okay, so depending on the insulation system of a circuit breaker, the rated voltage of the circuit breaker means it can vary. Right. So this is my nominal voltage and the circuit breaker means the rated voltage. The circuit breaker is designed to operate at highest RMS voltage. Okay, so what is RMS? RMS means root mean square value of that voltage. Okay, means the circuit breaker is designed to operate the RMS at the highest RMS voltage, which is known as the rated maximum voltage of a circuit breaker. Means rated maximum of the circuit breaker. Means if anybody asks what is how the circuit breaker is rated, it is based on the rated voltage. The value is above the nominal voltage for which the circuit breaker is designed. Okay, it is circuit breaker is designed and is the upper limit for operation. Okay, means these are the two limits derived. Okay, so this is the our nominal voltage and the operating voltage. Okay, so I hope you understand this two means difference, what is nominal voltage and what is the means the operating voltage or the rated voltage. Okay, if you see any kind of motor, if you see the rating there, then this is called that is called as the rated voltage of that particular motor. Okay, rated value. So the designer have designed that motor according to the safety conditions. Okay, how the motor can behave at its maximum limits, but it can operate at that limit also. So the designer at the point of designing any particular machine means designing any particular machine keeps in mind that how the machine behaves at the very high level. So according to that he rates that motor there. Okay, so this is the nominal voltage and the rated voltage. Okay, so then we have you should also know that is what is the nominal voltage of a battery. Okay, so what is the nominal voltage of the battery? A battery, what is battery? Battery is a electromechanical device. Okay, it is an electromechanical device. Okay, right, which generates a voltage potential. Okay, it generates a potential, voltage potential when placing metals of various affinities in a acid battery. Okay, means it generates a potential, some kind of potential. For example, a battery has an actual voltage of 1.62 volt. Okay, 1.62 volt. Okay, a battery is let's suppose I have a battery, its actual voltage is of 1.62 volt, but commonly it is referred to as a 1.5 volt. Okay, so basically it is referred to as 1.5 volt. Means it is rated here, but it is represented in 1.5 volt battery. Which means, what does it mean? Which means that the battery has a nominal voltage of 1.5 volt. 1.5 volt is the nominal voltage. Okay, 1.5 volt is the nominal voltage. Another example, let's suppose there is a DC source. Okay, DC source that is of 12 volt. It denotes the 12 volt battery, regardless it is a fully means it is charged up to means if it is 12 volt battery, means what is the nominal voltage? This is the nominal voltage, and my normal voltage means it is of 13.2, exactly 13.2 volt rating. Okay, it is exactly at 13.2 volt rating. Okay, so this is the two terminology, that is nominal voltage and the rated voltage. Okay, you should remember these 2 points. Similarly, in case of our current also. Okay, so this is the topic for today. I hope you understand this topic. If you have any kind of doubt, you can contact me. So thank you for watching.